Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Microsoft Teams background before meeting. It's really simple and easy. This feature can be particularly useful if you are working from home and want to keep your living space private, or simply want to add a more professional look to your meeting environment. First thing first, head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, sign in with your account. This is your gateway to accessing all of Microsoft Teams features, including the calendar where your meetings are scheduled. Once you are logged in, make your way to the calendar section. This is where all your scheduled meetings and events are listed. Now find the event or meeting you want to join from the calendar. It might be the next meeting on your schedule or one later in the day. Clicking on this will give you the meeting details and options. To proceed, click on the link or join button provided in the meeting details. A prompt might ask if you want to use the web version or open the Teams app. Choose accordingly based on your preference. Before you're officially entering the meeting, you will have the chance to adjust your settings. Click on your video preview. This is where you will see what your camera is broadcasting. This step is essential for making sure you look as you intend to before joining the meeting. In your video settings, you will see an option for background filters. Click on this to open a selection of backgrounds you can use. Teams offers a variety of backgrounds from professional offer settings to more relaxed scenes. Be mindful of choosing a background that is appropriate for the nature of your meeting. Just choose any background, browse through the available options, and select one that you like. You can preview what it looks like with your video before making it. Once you decided a background, you are ready to join a meeting with this background. Remember, changing your background not only adds a bit of personality but also can help minimize distractions for others in meetings. And there you have it. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change Microsoft Teams background before meeting. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.